It is absolutely necessary to have aspirations in life. It is absolutely necessary to have certain visions in life. And let it be illusions, let it be a kind of, all of those what people say, you are daydreaming. Let people think. Let it be illusions, let it be nonsensical things to other people. But for you, it might be real. So it is absolutely okay. And what I feel is, it is absolutely essential to daydream. It is absolutely essential to even build castles in the air. It is absolutely essential to have wild, reaching the sky aspirations. Then only you will be able to reach after those and make it a reality.